How to edit product page in Shopify. So go ahead and open your Shopify dashboard. From here, go to Online Store, select Themes, and click on Customize. Once you're in the editing page, go to your product, click on that, or you can also tap on the drop-down menu on the top center part and then select Product. For convenience, select on Create Template so that you can use the single layout to all of your products. Now in here, you can now edit your product page. From the announcement where you can edit the displayed text, its alignment, color, and link. Next is the header where you can put your logo, menu, sticky header, color scheme, and paddings. Below that is the product information itself. You can edit where your image is positioned, how to zoom in your product, its mobile layout, and padding. You can also edit the related products and the footer as well. Once you're done editing, just click on save and your product page should now be edited. So that is how to edit product page in Shopify. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.